Hey everyone, welcome back to another Bullish Bears video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to favorite tools on TradingView and how we could pull up our favorite toolbar to make it a lot easier to find the tools we want to use when the market is moving. So the first thing we're going to want to do is come to the left hand side where our toolbar is located. Next, we're going to want to go through each category and select whichever tools we find to be our favorites or the ones we use most often. So I'm going to look for something like the trend line, the horizontal line. I'm going to check the fib. Everybody likes to use the Fibonacci. I'm going to also definitely make sure to use the long position and short position tool because these are things that I use very often because it helps me to know how many contracts I'm looking to trade per my risk on that trade and on that entry. I'm also going to look to use something like the rectangle. As many of you know, I like to trade supply and demand or trade some type of fair value gap, so this is a tool that I use often. And I also like to use the path tool as well, so I could sort of map out where I believe the market might be going. So once you have your tools favorited, you'll see that it pops up on the screen. Now, if it doesn't pop up right away, don't worry. You're going to come down to the left-hand side over here where this little star is. It's Show Favorite Drawing Tools Toolbar. You can toggle that on and off so it's on your screen and you're able to move it around as well. This way, instead of having to go through the toolbar on the left-hand side and you have to go through all of the different tools TradingView offers, you could have the handful or two handfuls of tools that you like to trade, so you're able to really enter them and put them on the chart very easily, very quickly, without having to go through the toolbar on the left-hand side. So I hope this video helped you guys. It's a great thing. TradingView is a fantastic charting software. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in our trading rooms. Take care and happy trading.